Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English Learning podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. We are so happy to see you today.
Today, we're going to practice shopping at the market in English.
Yes, this is real English in daily life. Very useful for beginners.
We will learn easy words, simple sentences, and real conversations.
This lesson is perfect for beginners, A1 to A2 level.
Don't worry, we speak slowly, we repeat important words.
If you want to practice English and improve every day, please like, share, and subscribe.
Your support helps us a lot. Thank you so much.
Topic 1. Shopping at the market.
So, David, let's start. What is a market?
Great question. A market is a place where we buy food and things.
For example, fruit, vegetables, bread, eggs, meat, and drinks.
Yes, many people shop at the market every day.
Today, we will learn how to buy things at the market in English.
We will practice asking for prices, choosing food, and paying.
Very useful for daily life.
Topic 2. Vocabulary, market words.
Let's learn some easy market words.
Listen and repeat.
Both. Slow, clear. Market.
Shop,
Buy.
sell,
Price.
cheap,
Expensive.
fresh,
Fruit.
vegetables,
Great job. Now some food words.
both,
Apples.
bananas,
Oranges.
tomatoes,
Potatoes.
onions,
Eggs.
bread.
Very good. Now some important phrases.
How much is this?
How much are these?
I want this.
I want 2 apples.
Can I have 1 kilo, please?
That's cheap.
That's expensive.
Excellent. Let's practice with examples.
Topic 3. Sentence practice plus examples.
Repeat after me.
How much is this?
How much are these?
I want 1 apple.
I want 2 bananas.
Can I have 1 kilo, please?
Great job. Let's make easy examples.
How much is this banana?
It's $1.
That's cheap.
Yes, cheap means not expensive.
Good job. You're learning fast. Topic 4. Real conversation. At the market.
Scene. Emma is shopping. David is the shopkeeper. Hello.
Hello. Welcome. How can I help you?
I want to buy some fruit.
Sure. We have apples, bananas, and oranges.
Great. How much are the apples?
They are $2 for 1 kilo.
Okay. I want 1 kilo of apples, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes. I want tomatoes and eggs.
How many eggs do you want?
I want 6 eggs, please.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. How much is everything?
It's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Topic 5. Slow repeat practice.
Now let's repeat slowly together. This helps your speaking.
Ready? Let's go.
How much is this?
How much are these?
I want 1 apple.
I want 2 bananas.
Can I have 1 kilo, please?
How much is everything?
Great job. Very clear.
Topic 6. Mini role play. You practice.
Now it's your turn.
Imagine you are at the market.
We ask, you answer at home. Hello, what do you want? Pause for learner. How much are the apples? Pause.
Do you want 1 kilo or 2 kilos? Pause.
Anything else? Pause.
Excellent. Good job speaking English. Topic 7. Common mistakes and tips.
Here are some easy tips.
Use is for one thing.
How much is this apple?
Use are for many things.
How much are these bananas?
Very good. Keep practicing.
Topic 8.
Wrap up. Review.
Let's review today's lesson.
We learned how to shop at the market in English.
We practiced food words, prices, and real conversations.
Now you can buy fruit, vegetables, and more in English.
Great job today. We are very proud of you.
Topic 9. Community question and engagement.
Now it's time for today's community question.
Today's question is, what do you usually buy at the market?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
We read all your comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English practice.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Happy learning.